How to uninstall Voicemeeter Banana completely. So if you want to uninstall Voicemeeter Banana, then first of all, we need to make sure that we closed Voicemeeter. So go to your system tray, which will be on the bottom right. Click on Show Hidden Icons and press on it. Here you might find the Voicemeeter Banana. You need to right click on it, and then you'll find an option of exit or shut down. You need to just go and exit it. After shutting down Voicemeeter, you need to go to your Windows logo. Press on it and type Add or Remove Programs. Once you find it, you need to click on Add or Remove Programs. Next, let's look for Voicemeeter here. Scroll down and you will find the Voicemeeter Banana application. Once you find the application here, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then you will find an option of Uninstall. You need to click on Uninstall and it will be uninstalled. After that, you'll have to restart your system to finish the uninstallation. If you open up your Windows logo again and type the application, then it will be removed. But you need to search for Device Manager. And under your Device Manager, you can go for Audio Inputs and Outputs. If you have found anything that's related to Voicemeeter on here, then right click on it and then uninstall the device. If you have not found anything, then you're cool. You can also do the same with sound, video, and game controllers. That's it. That's how you can uninstall Voicemeeter Banana on your computer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.